Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance the video quality in Premiere Pro. It's a simple process that can make a noticeable difference. So, let's get started. First, we need to create an adjustment layer. To do this, right-click anywhere in your project panel. Hover over New Item and select Adjustment Layer. A settings window will pop up and you can just click OK to accept the default settings. Now, drag this adjustment layer onto the timeline and place it above the clips you want to improve. Make sure the adjustment layer extends across all the clips you want to enhance. Next, go to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Sharpen to find the Sharpen effect. Once you find it, drag and drop the Sharpen effect onto the adjustment layer that we just added to the timeline. Now let's add one more effect to fine-tune the quality. Right below the Sharpen effect, drag and drop the unsharp mask effect onto the same adjustment layer. With the adjustment layer still selected, go over to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the settings. For the Sharpen effect, set the amount to 20 to 30. This will give your video a nice, sharp look without making it look too artificial. Now, for the unsharp mask settings, set the amount between 100 and 120 and the radius to 2 to 4. These settings help to enhance the details without overdoing it. After making these adjustments, play back your clip to see the difference. You should notice a sharper, crisper image. If you want to tweak the look further, feel free to play around with the values until you get the desired effect. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.